Hey everybody, it's your boy here with Honeybee Stamps today, and we're going to make another card using a release from Love Letters. We're going to be using the negative or the positive from the last card that I made. I don't know which one that is. Two pieces of cardstock here. We're going to be using my Gal Pals stamp set along with the matching or coordinating dies. And we're going to be using the Misty to do all this great stuff. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and take out this stamp set from Gal Pals, which I really love. It's pretty awesome. It has some great sentiments on it, and I really do enjoy the stamp set. We're going to go ahead and get them stamped out twice here, and then I'm going to go ahead and Copic color. I'm not going to show that. They're magically going to be appearing on the screen next. All colored. Amazing! The internet. Here I am finishing up the card here, and I'm just adding some purple here. It's BV08. I probably don't have all the colors listed in the description because actuality, I don't remember all the colors. I'm sorry. So you color them any color that you want, and that's fine, and it'll be wonderful just as this card is. So the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and get the sentiment stamped out. And basically all I'm going to do is get this stamped here. Had to do a zoom out because guess what? I forgot to zoom you out. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and get this stamped out here. I double stamped it because I really want to double a really dark sentiment on this card. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and get that sentiment cut out with the matching or the coordinating die. And I love Honeybee stamps because most of their sentiments on every stamp set comes with a coordinating die if you choose to purchase that. And it just makes cutting these out a lot easier. You don't have to use a whole strip of paper that goes across the card. You could just use what is simply cut out with this. So now that we have that cut out, I'm kind of showing you what the card is going to look like by adding a couple pieces here and there to make sure that it looks pretty good, you know, that I got it in line. Because you never want to glue anything down until you definitely know where exactly you want everything to be, right? Because I've done that before, like 50,000 times. The next thing we're going to do is go ahead and get some 3M foam tape on the back of this. I was going to glue it all the way down, but I was like, you know what? No, I need some dimension on this card. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this whole back up with some 3M foam tape here, just so that if you send it through the mail, it's not going to collapse. I'll even put that little itty bitty piece on there that probably didn't need to go on there, but oh, look at my head. That's how I get things even, y'all. That's how I do it. Obviously, here in a few seconds, you're going to see it wasn't so even because I had to trim it down a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do is do the same thing here on the sentiment. I'm just going to pop that up. I'm only going to put 3M foam tape on the back of that a little bit because I do not want that to actually get folded while it's in the mail. So that's where I'm going to place it. I'm going to place that down here, and I'm going to use a little liquid glue here from Honeybee Stamps so that it sticks to the paper. And I'm just trying to decide where I want it, where it goes. There it goes. Bam. It's in the right spot. I'm looking at this and I'm kind of like, no, that's not the right spot. It was crooked. So then I fix it. There we go. Bam. So I'm trimming this off, and I was going to put this onto a card base, and I thought, wow, this looks really, it's missing something. I'm not for sure. This is my mistake. If you see that, that would be my first run. There's something I don't like about this card, and to fix that, I'm actually going to add a black strip of paper at the bottom. It looked really weird to me like this. I was thinking about it and thinking about like, what's wrong with this card? It looks weird. I don't like it. So we need to add something. So I'm just going to take some black cardstock here to save the day. We're just going to do a little strip and we're going to glue that down. And oh, boy, did it save my life because it was driving me insane trying to figure out what to do with this card. So anyway, I want to thank you guys and gals and everyone for watching this video. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure that you head over to all the social medias and join Honeybee Stamps. But you can also find me as Bermero Cards. And all the items that I used in this video are linked below. So make sure you go sharp. Shop your heart's desire out. There we go. I got it. That's the completed card. Look at that. Bam. It's done. It's beautiful. It's excellent. Yes. I love it. Tell me how much you love it in the comments. I'd really love to hear what you think. So ooh, gummy eraser, gotta get it off that little piece of glue. Anyway, you guys have a great week. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Have a good one.